Hey y'all, here's a video of some products I bought online for upgrading the interior of my car. This is the e-brake, this is the quick release adapter, and this is the actual quick release for the steering wheel. So I'm gonna be unboxing these three products. And I'm gonna start with the e-brake. We'll make it just real quick and simple. I think this is pretty straightforward if you have any car knowledge. If not, it's still not that hard. So this is what comes inside the package. I got the Neochrome e-brake from NRG. That's what it looks like. If we go ahead and open this up, I'm holding my camera with one hand, so I'll have to kind of like use my both hands because I just can't. But this is what it looks like. It's real nice. So this is the e-brake, and I think that's the button in there. Well, it's kind of stuck because there's nothing pushing it out. Oh, there it is. So that's that, and I do not want to drop this, so let me put it back in the package. It has some stuff inside in there, which I'm assuming is for the installation. Instructions probably, or more products from NRG probably in this little booklet. I'll just go ahead and show you guys out right now since I have it out. Yeah, that's what I thought. Just more products that they offer and stuff like that. What else they have in here? They have a sticker, and they have probably like, that's probably the instructions right there. This is the adapter right here, and as you can see, there's the piece. This is the adapter that goes from where the steering wheel comes out. This is the first part you'll put in. These are just horn switches, I believe. I'm not too sure. And instruction, parts number, and stuff like that, and like a little catalog, just like the other one had it. I'm gonna put this back inside. And that's it. Now we're actually gonna look at the actual quick release. This is the part that mounts between the adapter and the actual steering wheel. So let me see if I can open this thing up. Perfect. So, okay, this is what we have. So again, we have the little catalogs, the sticker. All of them come with that sticker. All the packages, parts numbers and stuff like that for your specific car. And this is the quick release hub. I got mine in like baby blue, or however you want to call this color. I like to call it baby blue or sky blue. There's horn connectors and stuff like that. And this is the 4.0, so it has the paddle shifter, the kind of long ones. I think the 3.0 has them too, but they're not as long as the 4.0. I could be wrong though. And there's some hardware in there for the mounting of it, and that is that.